Hi, Charlie Cushane here. Today's challenge is to find a way to carry all these pipes that you see here. These are about 30 different pipes that are about 6.5 feet long that are used for my gazebo, my 18 by 20 foot gazebo. I have to find a way to carry them on the front hitch of my truck, as you see here. Now I've looked at getting baskets and things, but they're all too small. So I have another idea that is going to utilize my scooter ramp. So let's take a look at the idea. Well, okay, the scooter rack is on, which is nice and solid and stable because it holds my 300-pound scooter. But I have to find a way to hold these 6.5 foot long 2-pound pipes, and there's about 29 of them, so it's about 60 pounds. And I have to find some way to carry these pipes so that they don't fall off and they don't block the radiator for cooling. But I have an idea, so let's start making some wood chips. Okay, time to start cutting. We need a couple of pieces roughly 24 inches. There we go. All drilled. Time to give these a couple coats of spar urethane. It's good for outside or inside. That's a good first coat. Probably need at least 2. Okay, now that our carriers are made, let's put them on and load this up. I think that's good. Let's start putting the pipes on. About even. Okay, to make matters safer, I actually put an extra bungee cord around the whole thing. But additionally, I put the strap right here over the wooden piece to help hold it down better. And I did this on both sides, as you can see. This now helps hold it down better and pushes everything down into the wooden part. So this strap will work much better now. And that's what it looks like. Ready for a test. All right, here goes a driving test. Hopefully it'll go well. As you can see in this video of the driving test, I drove on dirt roads, I drove on paved roads, I go over speed bumps, and in all instances, it stays rock solid.